How to safely leave a tight parking lot. Warning: always verify there's enough room on both sides and that the exit area is clear before you begin. Ensure that there is space on both sides, as demonstrated in the video. Also ensure the exit space is sufficient for your car. Step 1. Slowly pull forward while scanning for available turning space. Then, turn your steering wheel fully to the left. Step 2. Immediately turn your steering wheel completely to the right to line up with the exit path. Step 3. Once aligned, straighten your steering wheel to prepare for reversing. Step 4. Look in your side mirrors and glance over your shoulder to ensure no obstacles are in your path. Reverse slowly while staying alert. Step 5. Gradually steer to the right as you exit, adjusting your direction based on the available space, and finish by straightening the steering wheel.